Hello guys. So in previous session, we explained how to create Facebook pixel, like how to find the code and where to paste. And with the help of pixel helper, we were checking actually whether it is done or not. Already students have done tech.uzi.in. They successfully paste the code, hui.co.in, the same time salim.karnool.taxi. So they are observing the traffic now. Today, what are we going to do is we want to create a custom data, a custom audience. Custom audience is nothing but filtering existing audience. They already came to your website, they did some kind of thing. You want to target them again. What we were doing previously is whenever you create a campaign, every time we were targeting the new audience only. New audience means they never know about our business. So in the first instance, they might not convert. Very less chances there. But once he came to your website, he'll become an existing customer. If you show your ad to him again and again, there is a possibility he will convert. So how to create that custom audience, I'll be telling you. In order to create a custom audience, it is mandatory that you should set up a pixel. Without pixel, you can't create a custom audience. So we already created a custom the pixel. So it's easy for us to create a custom audience. So to do that, once you been to the facebook.com/ads manager, where you will see all the campaigns. So left hand side, you'll be seeing all the 3 lines. Click on that. And this is the events manager. When you click here, you will see the pixel option, and whether we can able to see the page views or not, you'll be seeing here. So here data sources. Now the information is coming here. At the same time here, if you click on test events, the live performance is coming. Now to create custom audience, what you have to do is left hand side, click on this here. We know ads manager, we know event manager. Here is about the audience. Whoever came to our website, that audience are there. So just click on the audience manager. See these options: ads manager, events manager, audience. This is about your billing. These are about the business settings. This is for an e-commerce. So if you have an e-commerce company and you want to add all the products in the ads, then you'll be going for the commerce manager. I will be learning this as well in the future. So for the custom audience, we're going for this option, audiences. Let's see what kind of audiences we have. Saved audience. Does anybody have an idea what is saved audience? Do you know about
previously we saved the running campaigns, we saved some audience.
Right. So saved audience means, is it a new audience or old audience?
Old audience.
No, Salim, it's not old audience. You know, saved audience is nothing but whenever you want to target the people, what are you doing? You're selecting the location as Hyderabad, age as 21 to 36, and interest is some BBA or MBA. Okay. Every time I'm going here, I'm selecting this option. Instead of that, I'm saving this information. So every time you're targeting a new customers only, this is not the old customer. It's making your job easier. You're saving the audience. It doesn't mean that they are old audience. Okay. You just save them. Save your commonly used targeting options for easy reuse. Doesn't mean that you're targeting old customer. Choose your demographics, interest, and behavior. Then save them to reuse in the future ads. Remember, these are not old audience. Every time this is targeting the new customers only. Here is the custom audience. Here only will be targeting people. Connect with the people who have already shown an interest in your business or product with custom audiences. You can create an audience from your customer contacts, website traffic, or mobile app. Anyway, we're not talking about mobile app. We're talking about website traffic. Whoever came to our website, with that traffic we can target. That is what we're going to learn. Next, customer contacts is nothing but you can upload a list. Assume that you have a data, people who fill the form, but some email IDs are there, some other sources. That data also you can upload only for, assume that you have some 250 contacts, names and phone numbers and email IDs. Only tell them also you can run the ads. This is not that much beneficial, but people who came to your website is a much benefit one because they had some kind of interaction. So this is what we're going to learn. So create custom audience. Lookalike audience we'll be learning later. So I'm clicking on the custom audience. So how many ways of custom audience is there? You can see here. Connect with the people who have already shown an interest in your business. People who came to your website, you can target. Customer list is all about, just read this. Uploading a list of customers who have interacted with your business. Information in this list is hashed into anyone. So it's more about phone numbers, email IDs. App activity if you have. Some offline activity also you can send it. And this is about the e-commerce. Apart from that, people, you selected one video and you target a lot of people in the form of video. You can target the people who interacted with the video as well. You see this? Create an audience of people who watched one of your videos on Facebook or Instagram. Many times you might have spending a time on Facebook, Instagram. You might be clicking on one ad where the interactive video is there. Based on how many minutes you watched, like you watched that video for 2 minutes. Some people watched only 1 minute. So on that basis also we can create custom audience. People who watched more than 2 minutes, I want to target them. That's a good option. The person who watched 2 minutes means he's kind of interested. So you can target with the help of this as well. Lead form. Who opened or completed a form in one of your lead generation ad. We learned already lead generation ads, right? So with that also you can do it. So in such a way, different options are there, but mostly people who came to your website is a good option. You can try remaining options as well. So today we're learning about the website one. So I'm creating a custom audience based on who visited my website. What is the source? Source is my pixel only. With the help of pixel only, I can track them. Okay, whom you want to target? Whom you want to target? All website visitors. Whoever came to my website, I can target. Or else you can say is that people who visited specific web pages. Whoever came to my home page, whoever came to my checkout page, whoever came to my thank you page also I can target. Here, I want to target the all website visitors. So everybody who came to my website, I want to target. So website name is all existing customers who visited my site. So we have a maximum characters of 50. So description is not mandatory. I would like to have audience who have interacted my website. Okay, so everyone whoever landed on my website, whether he is there on a home page or about us page or he converted, everyone I want to target. So I'm giving the name all existing customers, create audience. Okay, I have created. Now, again, I'm clicking on this create audience, custom audience. One more audience I'm creating. This time, what I'm creating is people who visited specific web pages. Okay, the URL, my URL contains, thank you. ODMT.in will be there. I don't have to mention because the pixel code is there. If my URL contains thank you page, only those people I want to target. Someone tell me what do you mean by this? Whom we are targeting here? What is my custom audience means? Yeah. I'm mentioning that I want to create a custom audience who came to my website and visited the page. Thank you. So what does it means? Any understanding for you?
Conversion time.
So people came to my website, fill the form and convert. Means these people are converted on my website.
Leads like.
Yeah. So I mentioned the thank you page. So here, people who have converted means conversion happened actually. I would like to create audience who have filled the form on my website. Okay, so this is the another custom audience I'm creating. Okay, done. Two customers I have used. Two custom audience I've created. Everyone I've created, and one is the people who converted. Why I'm doing this? Because now I'll create a new campaign. This time I want to target the existing customers only. When I'm choosing the customers, I don't want to select the location wise, age wise, interest wise. What I'll do is I'll select custom audience. I will select the custom audience. In the select the custom audience, I have two options. Every customer is one and converted customer. Two options, two audience. There are every customer who came to my website is there and converted customers are there. To whom you will show ad? Tell me guys. Any idea you have? I'll explain you clearly, but tell me your idea. I have two data. Whoever, assume that 100 people came to my website. Among this, 20 people converted. 100 and 20. Now, how are you going to use this data? Whom you will target now? Yeah, please answer.
Every customer, sir.
If it is a
Like sometimes based on budget, but we mostly focus on everyone because they may have a chance to do the conversion this time because they
Okay.
already visited the page.
Okay, got it. Sushmita?
so, sir, if it is a new product, so somebody who's already have purchased it, you will show the converted customers the new product. They're gonna buy it.
Assume that it is digital marketing only.
Okay.
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 100 people came to my website, 20 converted. So there is no possibility that they'll be buying again. So what will you do in this case?
Yeah. So then I'll go with the people who has visited my website.
Means every customer.
Yeah.
When you target every customer, in this converted customer also coming.
80 only.
Huh?
The remaining one, remaining people who have not converted.
How you do that?
Retargeting.
That's what. How will you use this data? Now, every customer means you will be reaching 100 people.
Yeah.
Customer means you will be reaching 20, but you need to target those 80 people.
Yeah. I mean, you have the data, right? Like
Yeah.
you have-
Okay. Yeah, I have a data, but how to filter these people? And I want remove this 20 people from this 100. What are you going to do? So, if you anyone want to try it, try it. Then I'll tell you. Sushmita, you want to try something?
I'm thinking.
Okay, simple, 100 minus 20, 80. You have to tell to Facebook that I want to target every customer who visited my website except the converted customer. You got it?
Yeah.
That's why I created two audience. Okay. I want to target everybody except the people who visited my thank you page. Then what happens? 100 minus 20, 80 people only. Your ad will go. This is a smart way of doing it. Now I'm going to show you. Understood, right? Pawan Salim, understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now I'm going to show you
Yes, sir.
how to use that. So it's always good. One audience you selected for every customer. One is for the converted customer you just created. Now I'm going to show you how to utilize this. So we have two data right now. Click on this ads manager. I'm creating a new campaign now. This time, same digital marketing only. I want to target people who mostly like to convert for the digital marketing. So this is a remarketing campaign now. This is like same like a normal campaign only. So I click on create, and this time assume that I want to go for a traffic campaign. I want to bring more traffic again. So continue. This campaign is, it's up to you. You don't have to mention the remarketing campaign. It can be anything. But to understand ourselves, I'm writing. But don't be in an illusion that if I mention remarketing means I will go to the existing customer. No. This is for our reference. Remarketing campaign. Next. Let's see how many of you are smart. So I want people to come to my website, and budget I want to use 1,000. Okay. And shall I target India or Hyderabad, guys?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, sir.
Okay, I will be targeting Hyderabad. Okay, what age group will I have to target? What age group we have to target if it is digital marketing?
It's 20.
21 to 34, 30.
Let us become more conscious now. What campaign I'm doing now?
Digital marketing.
Remarketing campaign, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
Then why I'm selecting a fresh audience? Why I'm selecting again Hyderabad? Why I'm selecting 21 to 65? This is
Yeah.
wrong. Right? This is wrong, right?
Yes,
for
sir.
saved
We
audience.
can go with the saved audience, sir.
This is targeting the new customers only. So that's why whenever you do marketing, be conscious what I'm doing. So this is wrong, selecting all these things. So before that, you have an option, saved audience. Saved audience, if I save anything, this will come here again. Here also, you are targeting the new customers only. This is not old customer. Can you see option here, custom audiences? This is what here. If you already create a custom audience, then you'll be running. Remember, remarketing, you don't need to select all these options. You have to select the custom audience. Here is an option called custom audience. If you already mentioned your custom audience, it will come here. See, I'm selecting here. Okay, there are two options here. People who have converted, all existing customers who visited my website. Which one I have to select now?
All
All existing customers who visited my
Okay,
site.
all existing customer who visited my website. Then what happens? It is reaching everybody. Then what I have to do?
Exclude, sir.
Correct. So now I'm targeting everybody. See, right hand side, it is showing the numbers as well. Because yesterday only we started targeting. If it is for more days and more budget is there, this number will be more, 1,000, 2,000 will be there. So we are targeting everybody who visited my website. Exclude, click on exclude. See, people who have converted means who came to thank you page. I don't want to target them. Means they already filled the form. What is the point of showing them again? Okay. If you have a lot of budget and I don't care, means okay, but small company can't afford this, right? Because they already gave you details. You can target them by email or by calling them, SMS, what it might be. So I'm excluding them. Now I'm going to target the people who came to my website, but they didn't fill the form. To those people only my ad will be going. Is it sensible or not?
yes, sir.
Correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's it, guys. This is only the thing you have to do in a remarketing. Everything is same, but you don't need to select the new audience. You have to go to the custom audience. You'll be targeting them. Remaining all same. You don't need to select them. Just come down. And again, if you want a placement, you can select them and click on next. And here the same ad. But remember, remarketing ad has to be creative. You know, you targeting the customer who didn't convert before. This time you have to be very smart so that that guy should convert. So what is your idea, guys? So previously I showed my ad to Pawan. Pawan came to my website, but Pawan didn't convert. This time, what strategy you will do so that he will convert? Don't show the same boring ad. Try to be unique. So what is your idea? What are you going to do?
So giving some offers like
Okay, next.
Within a short time, he can get, I mean, lot of knowledge.
Can you say that again, Sushmita?
So like within a short time, he can get a, he can get the knowledge like.
Okay. Yeah. First of all, you can give an offer. Previously, it didn't convert, maybe because of the price as well. Just mention that 20% discount, or else create some urgency. Whatever it might be, the remarketing ad has to be more creative. It should not be like a previous one. I've seen some companies, what they're doing is, okay, the first ad, they're saying that, okay, learn digital marketing. It can be a video or something else, but customer didn't convert it. Second time, they're telling you, you came to my website, but didn't convert. That's why you are seeing my ad. You are seeing my ad. Want to know how ads follow you? Learn digital marketing. But digital marketing will help you anyway, not for others. So this guy directly talking to the customer, then customer can relate. Assume that, let me try. I'm planning to make videos. I'm planning to start Telugu trainings actually. So what is my plan is, first is a normal Telugu video about what is digital marketing. I'll be speaking nicely in Telugu. Second time, this is the remarketing one. So clearly I'll mention, are ఏమైంది boy? ఇంతకుముందు క్లియర్ గా చెప్పినా కదా, నీకు ఇంకా అర్థం కాలేదా? 100% జాబ్ బై అని క్లియర్ గా చెప్తా. Remember, there is no convention for marketing. You don't have to go in one way. You have to be creative. You might have seen how Swiggy and Zomato is giving ads. They'll give some push notification. Have you observed the push notifications?
Yeah, sir. They follow the memeing community.
Can you please tell me some kind of push notification you've seen? How was that? Any message you remember?
I like if you visit their app and you haven't ordered anything, they'll be like, "Aren't you hungry, Sushmita? Do you want to have a biryani or something?"
So the thing is, like, I think yesterday the WhatsApp was down, sir, right? So Zomato just give me a push notification that says we never go down, like WhatsApp. Completely.
Good. Yeah. So as Sushmita says that, Sushmita, are you not hungry? Just now Pawan said in such a way that, see, they're breaking all the stereotype of the marketing. That's really good actually. Sometimes in the native language, Telugu, so you will enjoy that ad actually. So sales will increase actually. So that I want to do it with the Telugu videos as well. So with a slang and directly talking to the customer, these will sell, guys. Okay. Now digital marketing is more competitive. Being a trainer, getting a lead is very difficult. To get the lead, I have to do something. I'm making a framework. Maybe within 10 days, I'll tell you what I've done, how I grab the leads. I'll be forming my next batch, right? Maybe 5 students or 10 students. How I got these students, I'm going to tell you the story. Just take that and you can use it in your marketing in the future. So as of now, you are learning the subject, learn the subject. But after that, do experiments. Let's talk about the cricket as well. So when you go to the cricket academy, they will teach you, okay, how to do the straight dive, drive, cover shot, pull shot. They'll teach you. But some people are there like Glenn Maxwell. So reverse sweep he play actually. He changed the hand and played. And in such a, so many people are there. Their batting style is different. So this, no one will teach you, based on the situation you have to use. Marketing as well, I'm teaching you what is the saved audience, what is the custom audience, and how your ad to be, and remaining things you have to do experiment. Okay, right. Just now I've seen it. We are at the ad level. So I'm telling you, this ad has to be more creative so that you will get success. Don't go with the same boring ad. Image, video, whatever you use it, but it has to be good actually. Okay, I'm not doing this. Right. Understood how to remarket the audience? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for a remarketing, mandatory things are Facebook pixel is mandatory on your website. It has to be there on your website and it's keep on tracking. Then you have to create custom audience. Third, create remarketing campaign using custom audience. That's it, guys. It's very simple. And when you do this campaign, definitely sales will increase. Without pixels, still you can run campaigns, but every time you're targeting the new customer only. So this is not working. Let's see this. Sushmita showed interest on joining my diploma course. First time she inquired. And if I didn't follow up her, chances of converting, it depends on her. How is her interest level? If her interest level is great, she will join. But being a marketing people, my team should keep on follow up her. Maybe 3 to 4 follow-ups. She might convert. Sushmita, have you got any follow-up for my team?
Yes, sir.
So that follow-up will definitely impact you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes, see, people are lazy, you know, they don't want to take a decision immediately. Okay. Without follow-up, it will fail actually. So same happens with the ads as well. First time, nobody will convert. So with the help of remarketing, if you keep on remind them, one day they'll be converting. Okay. Salim, you also same, right? You watched my YouTube videos. After that, the madam has keep on follow up. That's the reason you converted, right?
Yes, yes.
First of all, your interest was too much actually. At the same time, the follow up helped to get a sale.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And Pawan, you also, you saw some Facebook ad, I think, right? Facebook or Instagram ad. One.
Sir.
So I think you saw our Instagram ad, right?
No, sir. Actually, my dad saw your interview on HMTV and then called me.
Correct, correct. So he saw the TV one. That's kind of one marketing. And he told you, after that you came to me, you spoke to me. That is a different again.
Yes.
Okay. That is also one kind of a marketing. But once you come to me, you watch my demo and I create interest towards you. And after that, you ask me, sir, is that okay or not?
Yeah,
Then
that's where I started rooting for you, sir. The demo class.
I created a confidence in you that you will get a job.
Yes.
And Harsha, what about you? What is your story?
Avinash bro referred me, sir.
Achha. So referral marketing. See here. Here, Sushmita, I think you also referral, right?
Yes, sir.
So I gave a lecture in PGDM college. There, someone referred Sushmita and she joined actually.
Yeah.
And Usha also referral, and Tanushka also referral, and remaining people are with the ads. So referral marketing will increase once your brand is good actually. If they feel that this guy is good, they'll come back. That's why every brand, they have to maintain the quality, at least 70%. 100% might not be possible. At least 70% you are good, then referral marketing will come. So all the Facebook ads, remarketing and referral marketing give you sales. Okay. Now it's done. We create a custom audience. Now there is one more audience here that I'll explain. That is called lookalike audience. We discussed one day before. Sushmita asked me the question, but at that time she might not have understood. Now you will understand. So where I have to go for a custom audience, guys? On these tabs.
Audiences.
Yeah. So audiences. So here it is saying that once I created this custom audience, if an audience hasn't been used in any active ad set for over 2 years, it will begin to expire. 2 years la custom audience expiring audience that remain unused for 90 days will be deleted. It's okay. Now here again, when you click on drop down, saved audience means which we saved for easiness. Custom audience, just now we done. Lookalike audience is a different concept anyway. Does anybody understood what is lookalike audience?
Same interest, like pages related to the business.
So
So exactly, so previously 120 people are converted. So that 80 people, like that characteristic people only we play lookalike audience.
correct, Salim. Correct. So I'm going to show you again with the diagram. So before that also I explained, but at the time you're not aware of this, so you didn't understand. So every marketing campaign, how you have to do it. So your goal is to target throughout India. Okay, your digital marketing campaigns, you want to target throughout India. Let's see me only. I'm a very small advertiser. I don't have that much money. I can't afford to show every Indian. Like Great Learning, Simple Learn, who have a lot of money, they can run ads. But I'm a small advertiser. I can't do it. Then Facebook is giving one option for you. So what I can do is, instead of targeting throughout India, I can target a smaller place. That is Hyderabad. Even Hyderabad also, with a limited budget, I'll try. Whatever I can do, I can do. So I target Hyderabad. By targeting Hyderabad, I'll run campaigns. Maybe 1 month, I'll run a campaign. Then what happens? Because of these, I'll get some leads, right? Again, very small portion of the, okay. Because of my campaign, some people have converted. These people are converted. In a custom audience, I've seen everyone who came to my website who visited thank you page. Assume that I got some 200 leads. Out of this Hyderabad campaign, I got 200 leads. It means these customers are very much interested on buying my course. I got 200 leads, right? Now what I'll do is, Facebook, this is the experiment I've done in Hyderabad. I got 200 leads. With this information, you do one thing. I want to target throughout India, but I don't have a budget of this experiment showing my ad to everybody. I want you to show throughout India people like this. Here 200 leads are converted. Same like if anyone have interest, try to show throughout India. Now what Facebook will do? Facebook will not show ad to everybody. Facebook will try to show ad to the people who already engage with some other kind of advertisers ad. They clicked on the ad, they've been to the website, they want to purchase, buy the course, but they didn't buy. Facebook have all the information. To them only ad will go. Maybe here, different states. So you can save money. This is called lookalike audience. This is a very good option actually. I don't know how much fair Facebook is this, because you just have to believe it. Once you run the campaign, then only you can understand whether it is correct or not. But the concept is really good actually. So here, if you see here, create a lookalike audience. When you create a lookalike from a custom audience, because I can create a lookalike from a custom audience only. This is the custom audience only, right? When you create a lookalike from a custom audience, that includes LTV, our system will find people who are similar to the highest value customer. LTV is nothing but lifetime value, because once they converted, I got profit, right? So that is called lifetime value. So Facebook system will find people who are similar to your highest value customer. Fair enough. Understood all of you? What is lookalike audience? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Now I'm going to show you how to create a lookalike audience. Just click on lookalike audience. Remember, you will be creating a custom audience if you have Pixel. Without Pixel, you can't create a custom audience. And without custom audience, you can't create a lookalike audience. Lookalike audience will be. Just now we set up a custom audience, right? Then we'll go for a lookalike audience. Click on the lookalike audience. Yes. Now lookalike audience source. Source is custom audience. So 1 second. Select an existing audience or data source. Either you can create new, or here you can search. Select your lookalike audience. When you click on that, so you will be having option called Harsha Pixel or other sources. Click on other sources. Now here you will be having a digital marketing page, people who interacted to your page, you want to target them, or all existing customer who visited my site, or people who have converted. Based on anything, you can do it. Sometimes you want to target people who followed my page, also you can do it. People who visited my website, people who have converted, based on your requirement. Now here I want to target the people who have converted. So based on the custom audience, I'm selecting. Okay. Now, someone tell me what location I have to select. Which location I have to select? Any idea? Throughout India. I want to sample throughout India. So these kind of people, I want them to target throughout India. Now here, number of lookalike audience. By default, throughout India, 1% they target. Even if it is 1% also, 5.3 million people it will reach. And 2%, 3%. If it is going, the quality will come down. So leave it to 1% only. 1% lookalike consists of the people most similar to your lookalike audience source. Increasing the percentage creates a bigger, broader audience. I don't want to create a bigger and broader. I want to target the relevant people. Okay. So estimated reach is 53 lakhs, 40,000 people it will reach. Then create audience. This is the lookalike audience. Now, if you see all our audience, all existing people who have converted and lookalike of people who have converted. With this, audience thing is done actually. So we learned how to create a pixel, how to paste, how to check them, how to create a saved audience, how to create custom audience, how to create lookalike audience also we learned. If you have any questions, please let me know, guys.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, if it is a digital marketing course, so you're gonna do online classes. That's the reason you have selected whole India, right? I
Correct.
mean, you have targeted whole India. Like, what about the businesses? Like, if they have franchisee in different states, they're gonna target them. Otherwise, how is it going to possible? Like,
It depends. If their business is in Hyderabad only, then what you can do is, first of all, create a campaign targeting Panjaguta surrounding some people. Then once you got a sales, based on that data, you ask Facebook to target complete Hyderabad. With a sample data, you target the same the states as well. Yeah.
I have this question. So, like how we have selected real estate, example, we'll take a real estate thing. Have targeted whole Hyderabad.
Okay.
So I have got few like 100 people who has gotten converted into the leads. Then am I going to target again Hyderabad, or do I have to do something else?
See, if your business is Hyderabad, you can target Hyderabad. If your business is throughout India, you can lookalike audience will help you. If you have a broader audience throughout India, more places, it will be more helpful. If it is Hyderabad also, it will be helpful. But if broader audience is there, you will get more results. Okay. Yeah. Remaining people, you have any questions? Is everything is clear? Right. So with this, let me go for a task. So yesterday it was hectic. I think clearly you understand today. So you already created the pixels. So the task for tomorrow is create a custom audience. Same like how I done. Create a custom audience. Assume that yours is a lead-based business, like a digital marketing, or plumber, painter, etc. So create one custom audience. Second, create a remarketing campaign. Targeting existing customers who have not converted. Okay. Third, remarketing ad has to be good. boring. So I'll be checking you tomorrow. I'll be giving you screen access. You will be sharing your screen. You'll be explaining me entirely how you've done. You'll be going to your custom audience. So here my agenda is to not finish the course. My agenda is to make you perfect actually. So each and everyone will get a chance. We'll be sharing your screen and you'll be showing me how you created that. So do it properly, take your own time. At the same time, I'm gonna focus more on your ad as well. The best way to learn is today only click on so many ads. Go to Facebook, interact with the ads. They might be retargeting you. So observe how the remarketing ad is. Tell me 4 examples of remarketing ad which you experienced in 24 hours. What is your observation? So I want you to today only spend some time, click on whatever the ads you have, click, click, click. Remember, write down the ad, which one you clicked. And after that, whenever you go to the cross platform, whether you go to Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, or websites or YouTube, observe it, whether he is coming everywhere or is coming somewhere. So note down this and tell me. You know what? These all will give you more strategies so that you can apply in your future campaigns. Okay, right. Then 5th, create a lookalike audience based on your custom audience. So when I'm telling everything will be easy only, but when you're doing, you face problems, don't worry. Tomorrow we'll take a session and when you're sharing the screen, I'll observe everything, right? So your problems will be clear. So in this class, some people might be learning slow, some people learning very fast, no problem. Okay. Take your own time. Video backups are coming actually. Watch them and again learn it. Okay. If you have no questions, we'll see you tomorrow.